Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. It was the fourth day of Eid until 12:30 in the morning. No one knew that we would plan to go to Murree, and within literally 2 hours, we managed to pack everything and get ready to leave. My family loved to visit a hill station, that's why we never missed a chance to go to the hill station. We were all very excited to go, even though the weather was rainy, but we were still eager to go. So on today's vlog, it's all about our trip from Lahore to Murree. It was one amazing journey filled with scenic view and rainy weather. If you love relaxing drive, then this vlog is definitely for you. This trip isn't just about reaching our destination, it's about enjoying every moment along the way. Even though it was raining, the drive was so peaceful. The sound of raindrop on the car added to the beauty of the journey. Whether you are here for the beautiful scenery or just want to unwind, this vlog is perfect for anyone looking for a little escape. We have now arrived in Islamabad. This restaurant is a favorite of my brothers, so whenever we are in Islamabad, we make sure to visit here. We had dinner here. After dinner, we grabbed sweater and shawl because it was chilly due to the raining weather. Then we decided whether to stay in Islamabad or go to Murree. Finally, we made the decision to head to Murree. We arrived in Murree around 11:30 at night. We got two rooms, both attached, which was convenient. We had dinner in Islamabad and now we just had some tea and went to sleep. This is the next day. It rained all night and it's still raining in the morning. It's quite cold here. We can't survive here without sweater. The weather has become really beautiful despite the heavy rain. Many people like us are still coming to Murree. I really like the weather of Murree. It's always chilly. You can see the cloud descending. Seeing such lovely weather in the morning has lifted my mood. We had breakfast and enjoyed some tea. Since we could not go anywhere in the rainy weather, we decided to get back home. entire journey was accompanied by rain. Even in Islamabad, it kept raining. If we had stopped, we could have stayed in Islamabad. Then we thought it's best to go straight back to Lahore. We had a great time enjoying this weather with family. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog too. I will see you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.